Wonder if you can bring Tide Pods or laundry detergent on a plane? You're not alone. Whether you're traveling for work or vacation, keeping your clothes clean and fresh is important. Let's dive into the rules for bringing laundry detergent with you while flying. Types of laundry detergent allowed on planes. When it comes to laundry detergent, all types are allowed on planes: Tide Pods, powders, and solid pellets. But there are some specific rules about how much and in what form you can bring. Tide Pods, these are considered liquids, so there's a limit of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, per pod in your carry-on. Make sure they fit in a quart-sized bag. Powdered detergents, these are good to go in both carry-on and check bags, but if you have more than 12 ounces, 350 milliliters, it might need additional screening at security. Pellet detergents, no limits here, you can pack these in both your carry-on and check bags with no issues. Bringing detergent through security. According to TSA, you can easily bring Tide Pods or powdered detergent through the security checkpoint. Just remember, if your powdered detergent is more than 12 ounces, 350 milliliters, you'll need to take it out of your bag for extra screening. For liquids, the rule is simple. Each container must be 3.4 ounces or less, and everything must fit inside a quart-sized bag. But don't worry, you can pack as many as you can fit. TSA response to questions about Tide Pods. TSA clarified that liquid detergent pods are fine to bring, as long as they don't exceed 3.4 ounces per pod. And guess what? You can fit as many pods as you can into a quart-sized bag with your other liquids. A quick tip: if you're packing a stain remover like Tide to Go, yes, it's allowed in your carry-on too. Can you bring Tide Pods in checked luggage? The great news: you can pack any type of detergent, including Tide Pods, in your checked luggage with no limits. But if you're bringing liquids, it's a good idea to be cautious. Liquid detergent can leak and ruin your clothes, so use Ziploc bags to be extra safe. If you're traveling with large detergent bottles, like a 22 ounces, 650 milliliters, container, it's better to pack it in your checked luggage. How to pack laundry detergent for travel. Here's how to pack your detergent. Keep it in its original packaging. The TSA will easily recognize it, and it'll stay secure. If you don't want to carry big containers, you can transfer the detergent into travel-sized containers. You can find travel detergent packs on Amazon or even at most stores. Final thoughts. So, can you bring Tide Pods on a plane? Yes, you can take them in both carry-on and checked luggage, but the rules vary based on the type of detergent. Tide Pods, 3.4 ounces per container in carry-on, no limits in checked luggage. Powder detergent, pack it in checked luggage if it's more than 12 ounces, or prepare for extra screening at security. Pellets, no limits, pack them freely. I personally prefer to pack Tide Pods and powders in checked luggage, especially for larger amounts. But as long as you follow the rules, you'll be good to go. Hope this clears up your questions about packing Tide Pods and laundry detergent for your flight. Safe travels, and don't forget to keep your clothes fresh.